Not long ago, wealth was built with factories, real estate, or oil. Today, it's built with data, creativity, and clicks. This is the new gold rush, and the internet is the mine. When the internet opened the doors to global access, entrepreneurship changed forever. No longer limited by geography or capital, a single idea could reach millions. A laptop became the new storefront. From YouTube creators to e-commerce sellers, digital entrepreneurs are redefining value creation. What once required teams and investors can now be achieved with a smartphone and strategy. There is no single path anymore. Affiliate marketing, e-commerce, digital products, stock investing, content creation, each is a mine of opportunity. The key isn't luck, it's learning. Software has become the infrastructure of wealth. Platforms like YouTube, Shopify, and even AI tools such as ChatGPT and Mid-Journey have leveled the field, automating what used to take entire teams. The new elite are learners. Knowledge now multiplies faster than capital, and those who adapt first win first. Digital education is not optional, it's the passport to financial freedom. While the old world traded time for money, the new world builds systems that earn 24/7. Passive income isn't magic, it's modern leverage. Every gold rush has its pitfalls: oversaturation, misinformation, and greed. The internet amplifies both opportunity and illusion. The only safeguard is skill, ethics, and patience. We're living through the greatest wealth shift in human history. The tools are free, the access is global. The choice is yours. This is Auster Entrepreneur. Subscribe, learn, and build your freedom in the digital age.